guess what we're talking about today?
I have no idea.
We're going to talk about our new favorite coaster. We are in line for Islands of Adventure. The early entry pass, and the lines, I hope just it's because we're social distancing. But wow, these lines are long. We are running through Seuss Landing to get in line for Hagrid's magical motorbike adventure. We started in a theater before we actually got to the ride queue for Hagrid's.
Hello and welcome to Universal Orlando Resort. In addition to the important safety we have also implemented attraction-specific procedures for the health and safety of guests. Be sure to
Dude, they're rocking it this morning. It's gonna be cold, yeah.
As a reminder, all guests are required to wear face covering during their visit, which includes while experiencing this attraction. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask our Universal team members. Thank you again for your attention, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Universal Orlando Resort.
We don't get to go around the edge. Oh well. Ah, we skipped that room. Oh well. Oh, we finally caught up. I liked it with you guys in it. Look how good it is in the dark.
As you approach the boarding area, please be sure to follow the instructions of our ride attendants. They will be administering hand sanitizer for each guest prior to boarding, as well as providing specific seating assignments for each travel party. Hand sanitizer will also be available at the exit of this attraction. As a reminder, all guests are required to wear face covering during their visit, which includes while experiencing this attraction. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask one of our Universal team members. Thank you again for your attention and enjoy the rest of your day here.
Any other condition that may be aggravated by intense movement, you should not take part in today's lesson. The motorbikes move quickly and suddenly.
Do not miss this ride. It is totally worth the wait. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.